It's been spectacular.
It's been amazing.
It's very unique and rewarding experience.
We had the chance to visit a lot of labs on campus, including MIT Nano, Media Lab, iLab.
There's something really unique about the scientific culture here in Cambridge. There is an energy, there is a feeling of collaboration across disciplines, and it is really inspiring for our fellows.
I loved seeing MIT Nano. I really appreciated its location in the university as well. Being so central to everybody and acting as a user facility means that anybody can leverage this phenomenal investment to do truly transformative work.
I really enjoyed the CRISPR session. I thought it was very enlightening.
The sessions on government policy were super interesting. It's very hard to get straight answers sometimes to how exactly the different committees, subcommittees work, and how you actually, as a scientist, can influence the different stages of that process.
The Science and Communication session with the Alan Alda Center was absolutely fantastic. Definitely the key takeaway from that experience was certainly if you want to be heard in science or how you communicate your work or trying to get people excited about what you do, you first have to learn how to listen. Without a doubt, I think that's been my favorite session, not just from all the things that we learned, but from the really intimate interactions we got to have with all the other fellows.
Meeting Eric Lander was incredible. It was also an insight into how one of the most successful interdisciplinary research institutes runs. He talked a lot about how do you bridge people from pure math, from statistics, from computer science, from experimental labs. How do you bring them all together to get something done?
Being a Schmidt Science Fellow and be able to meet really the leaders of the field and really hear how their story was and their experience with their work, but also really understanding that they're facing a lot of the same doubts and a lot of the same problems that we are.
The people that we're meeting and the histories that we're getting from them has really encouraged me to just follow this path of interest and interactions that lead to sort of surprising connections.
I've learned a lot about how universities can come together and what kind of levers we have to talk to government and what kind of assistance we can provide to make the world a better place.
Seeing how they intersect has provided some guidance to think about how we can intersect with each other as well.
The caliber of speakers and the scientists that our fellows were able to interact with this week was truly exceptional, and we are so grateful to our hosts, MIT, Harvard, and the Broad Institute, for making this week happen.